Good morning, everyone. This is Vinay, Mass Master Teacher of Avanti Fellows. So today we're going to discuss the question paper of JE session 4, which has been asked us. So we'll just try to analyze what are the questions has been given and how to do those questions. Okay. So let us move on to the class. Guys, first of all, I'm launching the poll. Everyone, please give the technical check. Please give me the technical check whether you guys able to hear me or whether able to see my screen or not. Please give it fast. So these are the questions which has been asked in JE session 4, guys. So that is what means in August. The recent question papers, they have asked these questions. So let us discuss these questions. It might be helpful at any point of view, at anywhere. Okay. So shall I'm ending the poll. So at any point of time, if my voice is not audible or my screen is not visible, please let me know through the chat box, guys. Okay. Yeah. So starting with the first question. What is the first question is given to us? The plane is there ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. Okay, so this is our plane. What is saying our plane is bisecting the line joining points. Okay, let us take the points some p and q, which has given us 4 comma minus 3 comma 1 and 2 comma 3 comma minus 5. And what is this? What is it saying, guys? Our plane, okay, bisects these points at right angles, is saying, right? So let us draw our plane. So if I'm drawing my plane, so what is happening? This one is going to bisect our line joining P and Q at right angles, right? So that is what he's saying. So according to his, this should be, this should be 90-degree angle. It should be at a 90-degree angle, guys. Okay. It should be at a 90-degree angle. And what is the meaning of bisecting, guys? Bisecting means it should be the, if I taking this as point R, this should be the midpoint, right? Okay. So what is the point P? We have 4 comma minus 3 comma 1. Point Q is 2 comma 3 comma minus 5. First of all, if someone is asking you what are the direction ratios of the line joining PQ, what do you guys will say? 4 minus 2 minus 3, x1 minus x2, y2 minus y1 minus y2, and z1 minus y2, right? Okay. So 4 minus 2 is 2, minus 3 minus 3 is minus 6, and 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 5 is plus 6. Okay. So these are the direction ratios of PQ. That's fine. Line PQ. But what to say? And what is the midpoint, guys? So what is the midpoint of PQ? Midpoint of PQ is nothing but 4 plus 2 by 2 is 3, and 3 next one is minus 3 plus 3 is 0, and the next one is minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4 by 2 is minus 2. Okay, so this is my midpoint. So now tell me, guys, what is the equation of a plane, okay, passing through if I say x1, y1 and z1 and normal direction ratios. If you know the normal direction ratios, what is the equation of the plane, guys? Do you guys remember or not? A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. Yes or no? So where a and b are the direction ratios of the normal, right? Okay. So if you take the plane over here, for our plane, what is the normal? Normal is nothing but PQ, right? Normal vector, I can say it is PQ, obviously, because my PQ is what is it, bisecting the plane, it right angles. Okay. So what are the direction ratios of our normal that we got? So here direction ratios of PQ, which are 2, minus 6 and 6, will be our A, B, C. And what is the point it is passing through? It is passing through the midpoint, which is 3, 0, minus 2. These are x1, y1 as well as z1. Okay, so both we got. Now can't you write the equation of the plane, guys? It's very simple. 2 into x minus x1 minus 6 into y minus y1 plus 6 into z minus or minus plus 2, right? Okay. So what are we getting? 2x. Here I can take my 2. I can remove my 2, right? So I will left with x minus 3 and minus 3y plus 3z plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. So it is x minus 3y. Okay, x minus 3y plus 3z plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is what we have. X minus 3y plus 3z plus 3 is equal to 0. So let me write it again. X minus 3y plus 3z plus 3, right? Plus 3 is equal to 0. So if you compare this with our plane a plus b, what is the value of a? A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 3, d is equal to 3. Okay. So now what is asking, guys? Is asking the value of a square plus b square plus c square plus d square. How much it is? What can I say? 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. So 9 to 28 will be your answer. Okay. That is how you have to do this question, guys. Any doubt you can ask me, YouTubers. Or else we can proceed on to the next question. Just waiting for the 10 to 20 seconds. Then we'll proceed on to the next question, guys. Come on. So this is how we have to do this question, guys. Okay. This kind of question is repeating so many times, like whenever the plane is bisecting two given points and all this kind of question. Okay. Shalom. Let us move on to the next question. What is the next question he has given to us, guys? Equation of, let me, okay. So what is the question he has given to us? Equation of planes, equation of the planes parallel to the plane, right? Okay, so what is the given plane? First of all, let me write it down. X minus 2y plus 2z minus 3 is equal to 0 is the equation of the plane which he has given to us. So someone is asking us the plane parallel to this plane. So what can I say? Obviously, I can say it is x minus 2y plus 2z plus lambda is equal to 0. Okay, so obviously the constant is the only thing which has to be changed. The ratios of the coefficient should be equal, right? That is the meaning of the parallel things. So we got the plane which is parallel to the given plane. That's fine. And more, what is the other thing has given? And this one he's saying that he's saying this one has been given as ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. Okay. So already we got ABC. Okay. Or we just have to find the D, value of D. Okay. So what he has given to us, the distance, the perpendicular distance to this plane from point 1 to 3 is at a unit distance. Unit means 1, right? Okay. So let us find the perpendicular distance, guys. I hope everyone knows this one, right? Modulus of ax1, or to say, you just have to substitute your point on here, x1 plus by1 plus ez1 plus d by root over s plus b square plus c square, right? Okay. So it is modulus of 1 minus 4 plus 6 plus lambda divided by root over of 1 plus 4 plus 4. Is it okay? Is equal to 1 he has given, right? Okay. So lambda is nothing but d. You can take it as d. So modulus of 6 minus 4, 3 plus d, right? 3 is equal to 1. So what can I say? D plus 3 is equal to plus 3, I can say, or D plus 3 is equal to minus 3, I can say, right? So D is equal to 0 comma minus 6. I got two values for D, that's fine. Let us check what do we need first of all. Let me write every value, each and everything value. Give me 1 second, guys. Everyone try to find the value in the meantime. Pratik, now my voice is audible, right?
Yeah, now the voice is
Okay,
coming.
okay, okay, okay. Okay, guys. Sorry for the inconvenience. Let us continue our class. So what we discussed, where we are at, yeah, we got the values of d 0 and -6, right? Okay, so let us write the values of a, b, c, d. A is 1, the coefficients, guys. If you look out over here, this is our what is a plane which has been given, and this is our plane which is parallel to that one. So please look into this. So what is A? A is equal to 1, B coefficients. Coefficients of the plane, A is equal to 1, B is equal to -2, C is equal to 2. And lambda, D is nothing but lambda, right? Which we got it as 0 or -6. Okay, so just keep this. Now come to our question. What he has given to us is B minus D is equal to K into C minus A, right? Okay, so this is what he has given, and we have to find the value of K. So let us take a cross check this one. K is equal to B minus D by C minus A. So now tell me K is equal to B minus D by C minus A. What is happening, guys? So that is equal to K is equal to B minus D. What is a B? It is -2. For a 2, uh, we are having two D values. For D is equal to 0 and D is equal to -6. We are going to get two values, right? Okay. So K is equal to what is B? -2. What is D here? It is 0. And what is C here? 2. Minus A, 1. And what about the K over here? Is equal to B minus D. B is -2. Minus 0 by C is 2 minus sorry, here D we have to take it as -6. Okay, so B minus of minus plus 6, okay, by C minus A. Okay, yeah, so K is equal to, we got -2 over here, and K is equal to, we got 4 over here. Okay, K is equal to -2 and 4 we got, guys. Okay, so what is asking exactly? Yeah, he's asking the positive value of the K. K is equal to -2 comma 4, so this is wrong, this is correct. He's asking the positive value. Okay, so it is 4. I hope it is clear, guys. Everyone, any doubt you guys can ask me. Okay. So if no doubts, we can proceed on to the next question. Yes, I'm just waiting for the doubts. If anyone is having any doubts, please let me know. Okay. So if any doubts, I'm proceed on to the next one. Okay. So this is the kind of question I asked in 2019, 2020. Okay, it is always repeating, guys. All the time it is repeating the same kind of question. Whenever we are having some function in terms of x and it's asking the integration, and the powers are like some x power 8, x power 6, or it could be anything. So what we have to do? Okay, and in denominator we are having a function in some variable x to the power of something, x power square, x power 7, something it is there, to the whole power square, whole cube, anything it could be. So what is the direct method? What is the easiest way to do, guys? Always remember, please take common. Okay, please remove the highest power what to say variable from the denominator. So here if you look at the question, what is the highest power variable in denominator? You are having x square and x power 7, right? So I'm removing x power 7 outside. So x power 7 whole square, I will get x power 14. Okay, so here inside, what is my question is going to change? How it is going to change, guys? 1 by x square by x power 7 is 1 by x power 5 here, right? Okay, and this one is 1 by x power 7, right? Okay, this is I have taken x power 7 as common, so I'm just left with 2 only. Okay, so this is what I'm left with, dx, right? Okay. So now tell me, so you can ask me, sir, why we are removing some highest power variable from the denominator? Why we are doing that? And what's the reason behind that? Obviously, you can look at here, guys. After removing the highest power, how my question is going to change? Just look at here, guys. I'm just taking this x power 14 to the numerator. Okay. So what I'm getting? 5 into x power 8 by x power 14 is x power 6 plus 7 into x power 6 by x power 14 is x power 8, right? Divided by, what I'm left with, 1 by x power 5 plus 1 by x power 7 plus 2 dx. Yes, if you properly observe your numerator as well as denominator, if I take my denominator as t, so what I'm going to get, just tell me. 1 by x power 5. I just have to differentiate this one, right? Okay. For finding the dx is equal to dt. So it will be, I will be getting minus 5 by x power 6 minus 7 by x power 8 plus 0 dx is equal to dt. So if you observe, that is the same thing we have in our numerator, right? Only thing is negative sign is not there. So I'm just writing negative sign. So that one will become minus dt. Here, guys, don't forget to write whole square here. Here, I forgot to write the whole square. So our minus dt divided by which one? The denominator I've taken it as t, right? So it's t square. What is minus dt by t square? It's 1 by t plus c. So you got your answer. What is your answer, guys? Is equal to 1 by, what is t we are taken? 1 by x power 5 plus 1 by x power 7 plus 2 plus c, right? Okay. So first of all, let me do the LCM and write it down. I'll get x power 7 in numerator divided by x square plus 1 plus 2 x power 7 plus c. What is this one, guys? This is f of x is given, right? Okay, so f of x, this is f of x. So this is which what we have got is f of x, and what he has given to us, f of 0 is equal to 0 here. Okay, so x is equal to 0, f of 0, which is equal to 0. So this is equal to 0 divided by 0 plus c. So c is equal to 0. That implies c is equal to 0. So this is gone. Now what is asking to us? F of 1 is equal to 1 by k is asking. Okay. So let us find f of 1. F of 1 is how much? 1 by 1 square plus 1 plus 2. So it is equal to 1 by 4 we got. This is equal to 1 by k. He is giving us. So what is the value of k? We got it as 4, guys. Okay. See how much simply we solved it. Only thing you have to remember is try to take the highest power variable as common in the denominator. Okay. So value of k is 4. Is it okay? Come on, guys. Anyone is having any doubt? Please ask me. Any doubt? Any doubts? You can ask me in the meantime, guys. If not, we can proceed on to the next question. Okay, cool. So if we proceed on to the next question, what is happening? What is the question has given to us? Okay, this is about standard deviation, mean, and all. This is very easy. Guys, if you properly look at the question, what he has given to us? total how many teachers are there? 25 teachers are there, right? Okay. The mean of 25 teachers in school is 40 years, right? Okay. So just tell me, mean of 25 years, 25 teachers is so uh, age is talking about 25 teachers, age of these 25 teachers, right? Okay. So obviously mean means what? Sum of everything by the number, right? So sigma x I will take divided by total n is how much? 25 is equal to sum of the ages, guys. This is what is sigma x? It is sum of the ages. Okay, is equal to 40, right? So that implies sum of the ages of all 25 teachers is 1000. I can say 25 into 40 is 1000. So this is what we got. Okay, just keep it aside. Now what is asking? What is saying? A teacher retires at the age of 60 years and a new teacher is appointed in his place. Okay. So okay, he's saying that one teacher is of age 60 years has got retired. So he is replaced with another teacher. Let the other teacher age is some q. Let us take it as some q. Okay. So now tell me, now what is happening, guys? Our sum is 1000, right? So we have to remove what you have to remove the guy who is getting retired, which is of age 60 years. Okay, and now he is replaced with other guy which is having the age of q. So this is now our new sum, guys. Okay, this is how this is my new sum of the teachers. Okay, one teacher which who is getting retired has got replaced with another guy. So divided by 25, the number of teachers remains the same because one is replacing by other. Okay, it's equal to, now he's saying that the average is 39, means mean is 39. Now he's asking us to find the age of the newly appointed teacher, which is q. Just tell me. It's a matter of simplification, guys. So it is 940 plus q is equal to how much? 24,000 minus 25, you can say 975, right? Okay. So what is happening? Q is equal to the newly appointed teacher is having the age of 35 years. Okay, that's it. That's it, guys. Any doubt anyone is having? So the newly appointed guy is having 35 years of age. It's very simple. Yeah. Guys, these are the questions which has been asked in August session, guys. Okay. J20. This question is from especially from 26th August till here. From the next question, we are doing for 27th August. Okay. So shall I proceed on to the next question? Any doubts anyone is having, please let me know. I'm waiting for 10 more seconds and then I'm proceed on to the next one. So if no doubts, we can proceed on to the next question. Okay, so this is the next question. I think this is from 27th August, I think so. Okay, yeah, 27th August 2021. J. So what is the question he has given? If you look at the question, you can simply say, yeah, it is very, very easy question because Always whenever you are having a different integration, okay, then please look after the properties, guys, okay, because properties of different integration is the thing which we can get our answers very easily and with direct answers, okay. So what is the question he has given to us, just tell me. So 6 to no need of writing the question again and again. We know that. First of all, tell me what is the property, guys? Integral a to b f of x dx can also be written as what? A to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Is it right or not, guys? Okay. So if I'm take this as I, okay, this is what he has given. This one I'm taking it as I. So what this could be? Tell me. F of means I is equal to, I can write it as 6 to 16. Guys, what is a plus b minus x? Let me write it as separate. A is 6 plus 16 minus x. So I'm getting 22 minus x, guys. Okay, okay. So I have to replace x with 22 minus x. So please be careful. 22 minus x whole square divided by ln 22 minus x whole square plus ln of x is 22 minus x minus 22 whole square. So this is what we got. So okay, let us check it. I is equal to, what can I do is I can write it as integral 6 to 16 22 minus x, or x minus 22 I can replace because it is whole square is there. I want to remove my negative sign. So what I'm getting in the denominator, ln of same thing, x minus 22 whole square plus, guess if you observe, my 22 and 22 are getting cancelled, as minus x whole square is same as x square. I can write as ln x square, right? Okay, so this is what we have. And now what I'm trying to do is I'm just adding this with this, okay. Guys, I'm adding the given question with this thing, okay. So what is happening if I'm adding obviously I will get 2i is equal to 6 to 16 ln x square is there in the numerator in my given question, right? Yeah, plus here I'm having ln of x minus 22 whole square divided by ln of x minus 20. The numerator, the denominator remaining same. The denominator is same, right? We are adding the numerator because we are having the denominator same in the both the things. Okay. So what is happening? See how much direct. So the numerator and denominator we got the same, so we can happily cancel it out. So you got 6 to 16 1 dx. So it is equal to x going from 6 to 16. So it is equal to 16 minus 6 is 10. So what is the value of I, guys? It is 5. That's it. See the one like 2 to 3 steps answer, guys. This is how much easy it is. Okay. So it is 5. You can ask me. Okay. So that much of easy this question is. You have to be very careful. Guys, is it clear? Anyone is having any doubt? Any doubt, please ask me, or else we can proceed on to the next one. Okay, if no doubt, let us proceed on to the next question, guys. What is the next question we have? Okay, what the question he has given to us? Z plus I by Z plus 2I is purely real, then find the locus of Z. Okay, that's very simple thing. What is given, guys? Z plus I by Z plus 2I is purely real. Guys, if something is purely real, what is his meaning? Means the imaginary part is what? Is equal to 0, right? Okay, then only you can say it is a purely real thing, right? Okay, so let us check it out. Because here, what is Z? Let us take Z as x plus iy. We don't know what is Z. Okay, so we take x plus iy and just proceed. As you're asking the locus at last, that is not an issue. So x plus iy plus I have by x plus iy plus 2I have. Okay, so that is equal to x plus I into y plus 1 is there divided by x plus I into y plus 2 is there. That's fine. And if you proceed on to the next one. Okay, so this is what we got. So whenever we are having some complex thing or say complex number in the denominator, what we are going to do? Just have to do the rationalization so that try to make your denominator as real part so that you can separate real and imaginary parts in the numerator. Okay, so that is what I'm just doing rationalization for the denominator. So x minus I into y plus 2 divided by x minus I into y plus 2. So now what is happening, guys? In the numerator, it is just going to multiply both the things. So let me multiply that properly. X square minus I into x into y plus 2, okay, plus I into x into y plus 1, okay, and I into I is I square minus 1 minus of minus is plus, so it is plus into y plus 1 into y plus 2, guys, okay. So this is what we got. That's fine. What about the denominator? A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. So it is x square minus I square minus or minus. You will get plus, guys. Okay, plus y plus 2 whole square. Okay. So let us now we know that it is purely real. So that imaginary part is 0. So let us try to separate our real part as well as the imaginary part in the numerator. So that then we can proceed on to the question. So what is the real part in the numerator? X square plus y plus 1 into y plus 2 is the real part. Okay. Now if I take I common, what is my imaginary part? X into y plus 1 minus x into y plus 2. Right? So do we have done any mistake at anywhere? X square minus I and then x into I into y plus 1, that's fine. Okay, so we got directly here very easily divided by x square plus y plus 2 whole square. It is purely real, guys. Guys, this one is real. Therefore, imaginary part is 0. What is imaginary part, guys? X into y plus 1 minus x into y plus 2 divided by x square plus y plus 2 whole square is equal to 0. What is the meaning of this one? That meaning x into y plus 1 minus x into y plus 2 is it denominator. I can just take it RHS as that is become 0, right? So what are we getting here? X into y plus 1 minus y plus 2 is what? Minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 is the thing we got. Guys, what is x equal to 0? What is y axis? Your answer is y axis. X equal to 0. The locus of z is y axis is your answer. Everyone is it clear? Any doubt anyone is having, guys? Guys, come on, any doubt anyone is having? I'm waiting for any doubts. If no doubts, then we can proceed on to the next one. Okay, so let us proceed on to the next question, guys. Okay, what is given to us in the next question? So here someone is talking about the next question. He is talking that an odd natural number is such that variance. Okay. Variance means what? First of all, variance is nothing but sigma square, which is equal to sigma xi square by n minus mean whole square, sigma xi by n whole square, right? Okay. So if you ask me, what I am going to do is sigma xi square means sum of squares, 1 square plus 2 square plus so on n square divided by n. Okay, please be very careful, guys. Minus sigma xi whole square means 1 plus 2 plus so on n whole square divided by n square, right? Okay, so this is what we have. So what can we proceed and how can we proceed, guys, here? So 1 square plus 2 square plus sum of the squares of natural numbers, guys. This is the sum of the squares of natural numbers, which is n into n. This one we know it, right? Sum of the squares of natural numbers is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So 6 into n you will get minus what is sum of natural numbers? N into n plus 1 by 2. So it will become n in square into n plus 1 whole square by 2 is 4n square. So this is what we got. Okay. So what he has given, this is equal to 14 he has given, guys. Okay, this is equal to 14. Now that we are just have to solve it, I think so. What can we do is, I can remove my n, right? Okay, this n is getting removed everywhere. Yes or no? Right? So what is happening if I can remove my, what to say, n plus 1 also, right? I can take my n plus 1 as common, or else I can simply multiply it also. Give me 1 second, guys. So here, what everything is fine. N into n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6. So if you are going to simplify this, and if I take an n common, what are we getting over here? Okay, Guys, here the other n we can also cancel the other n, right? Okay. So now it is very simple. So LCM is I can say 12. First of all, let me write it properly and then I will do LCM. So we are left with n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 minus n plus 1 whole square divided by 4, right? Is equal to 14. So now we just have to solve for n, take LCM, and you just have to solve this one. 4n plus 1, right? Okay. So this I will get 4n plus 4 into 2n plus 1. Now end up taking 4 here, as we have taken LCM as 12, so it is 2. 2n plus 2 into 2n plus 1, and this one is 3 minus 3 into n square plus 2n plus 1 is equal to 14. Just solve it, guys, faster. What are we getting? 4n square plus 2n plus 4n plus 2 minus 3n square minus 6n minus 3 is equal to, how much are we getting? 168, right? 12 into 14 we have to do it. Yeah. So we got n square. This 2n, 4n, 6n got cancelled. That's fine. Minus 1 is equal to 168, guys. What can I do is rather than n square is equal to 169 here. So n is equal to 30. Got it? So it's just a matter of simplification. So n is a odd natural number, which is 13 we got, where variance is 14, which he has given to us in the question. So is it clear, everyone? Any doubts anyone is facing? Guys, have any doubts, please ask me, or else we can proceed. Okay. So if no doubts, we can proceed on to the next one. And this is the easy one. Not of doing also this one. What he has given here, guys? It has given us a matrix A. I think this is 2i, not 25. I think this is 2i, guys. Okay, let us check it out. So A is equal to 0, 2, x and minus 1 is the thing which has given to us. Okay, so what is giving? Is asking us to find, first of all, a into a cube plus 3i, right? Okay, so this is nothing but if I multiply a power 4 plus, guess what is the any matrix to, multiplying with identity matrix? It is the same matrix itself, right? So it is a into 3i, a into I is a itself. Okay, so the 3a. Okay, so let us find this one first. Okay, so what is a square? It is 0 to x minus 1 into 0 to x minus 1. So how much are we getting, guys? So 0 into 0 plus 2x, right? Okay, and 0 into 2 is 0 minus 2, and this one is 0 and minus x, and the last one is 2x plus 1. So this is a square. Okay, now if I need a power 4, we need a power 4, right? So again I have to do the multiplication, 2x minus 2 minus x and 2x plus 1 into 2x minus 2 minus x and 2x plus 1. So how much are we getting, tell me? How much are we getting? So it is 4x square plus 2x. Okay, and the next one is minus 4x and minus 4x. I am writing it as minus 8x. Let me write it directly, minus 8x minus 2. And the next one is minus 2x square minus 2x square minus 4x square minus x. And the last one is minus 2x. Okay, this one is somewhat bigger, so it is a plus 2x plus, I think 2x plus 1 whole square we are getting, right? And the last one plus 2x plus 2x plus 1 whole square. So what are we getting? Here we are getting 4x square plus 4x plus 6x plus 1. Okay, so this is a power 4. A power 4 plus 3 into a. So now tell me what we are getting. A power, let me write a power 4 plus 3a. Here itself I'm writing. What is 3 into a, guys? What is a? First of all, 0 to x minus 1. So it is 0, 3 to the 6, x minus 1. Okay, this is what we got. So come on, what are we getting? Tell me. Is equal to 4x square plus 2x, and the next one is 4 minus 8x, right? Okay, and the next one is what are we getting? 3x, right? So it is 3x minus x is 2x minus 4x square, and the next one is 4x square plus 6x minus 2. Okay, so this one is equal to 2 into I, guys. That is what he has given. If someone is saying 2 into I, what is the intention? So it is 2002, right? Okay, so you can compare anything and you can just find it out. You can make this as 0, but anything you can just do it. 4 minus 8x is equal to 0. What is the value of x, guys? 1 by 2. That's the answer. It's a simple calculation of matrices. Okay, this is not at all difficult one. X equal 1 by 2 is your answer. Is it clear, everyone? Any doubt anyone is having? Okay, everything is clear, right? So what are the next question, guys? This is a very easy question, guys. This we can directly do it. This what is this question is? LDE, right? Okay, you can take this as a homework, obviously. So dy by dx plus y by x is equal to x square. If you just ask me, I'll just say integrating factor is e power integral p dx. Okay, so it is x only. Okay, you can just proceed it, guys. Okay. And now what is the other question? Take this as a homework. And if you ask me how to do it, guys, this f of x here is given to us. 3x power 4 plus 4x cube minus 12x square plus 4 is equal to 0. What is f dash of x, guys? What is f dash of x we are getting here? 12x cube plus 12x square minus 24x, right? So if I remove the 12, what I'm getting, and x also, x square plus x minus 2. Okay, so this one, how can we write it down? X into x square plus 2x minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So ultimately we are getting x into x plus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Fine. So we got the critical points as x equal to 0, 1 and minus 2, guys. Okay. These are critical points. What is the meaning of critical points? At these points our function could be some local, having local maximum, local minimum or something, right? Okay. So tell me, what is the f of 0? How much are we getting? F of 0 is equal to 4. So it is positive. Okay. If I take minus 2, 1 and 0, right? 0 and 1. So f of 0 is positive. So what is f of 1, guys? F of 1 is how much? 7 minus 5. 7 minus 12 is minus 5 minus 1. So it is negative, guys. So we got this as minus 1, which is negative, which is f of 1, right? It is negative. Okay. And what is the other one? F of minus 2, right? F of minus 2. Yes, what is f of minus 2? How much are we getting? If you observe, 16 3 is 48, 8 8 4 is 32 minus 12 into 4 is 48 plus 4. Guys, this is also negative we are getting. I think so. Yes. 40 40 go, yeah, negative. So this one also negative. If you observe here, guys, this is positive, this is negative, and here also we are getting negative. Yeah, so now what is asking, come on, tell me, guys. So how can you proceed for this question? So here the curve is there like this. Okay, at the critical points it is so we got this critical points thing. So how many, what is asking, how many roots we might be having, is asking, right? So as here negative is there, there will be some point it will be crossing. Yes or no? Do you guys agree or not? There will be some point it will be going to cross it, right? Okay. So again, it will be like this and like this, right? Okay. And it will be increasing so on. So how many number of intersections are we getting, guys, here? So one, f of 0 is positive, f of minus 2 is negative, and f of 1 is negative. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times it is going to intersect, guys. Okay. So if you ask me, I'll say it is 4. Okay. Number of distinct real roots, we got it as 4, guys. Okay. Any doubts you can ask me. And this is also a LDE question. Only thing is try to write it in terms of dx by dy, guys. Okay. Dx by dy. And this is also one very good question, guys. How can you write 1 plus root or 1 plus sin x, guys? If you ask me, I will write it as, I can write it as sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square, right? So that is the only logic over here. Rest of everything is fine. Okay. So I hope everything is clear. Any doubts you ask me, try to practice as many questions as possible, guys. I hope so many students will going to qualify for JEE Advanced. Again, there is a batch going to start for JEE Advanced for this month at least, because October 3rd will be your exam, I think so, right? So 1 month is there for JEE Advanced. So those who have qualified are eligible to attend the Avanti JEE Advanced classes. So let us see. Please stay touch in the WhatsApp, because every what are the decision is going to take has been circulated through the WhatsApp itself in your group. So check your WhatsApp or Telegram groups, guys. Okay, YouTubers has to check your Telegram. So I can meet you in the next class. So everyone take care, study well, practice well.